we have something called the Radix connector browser extension. Now, this is not a wallet application. It's completely unlike MetaMask. This is just a very, very simple browser extension that sits in the background. You never have to directly interact with it, really. And it just sort of creates the connection between your phone and your desktop browser. It creates a secure P2P connection between your PC and your phone that allows you to interact with dApps on the desktop. So you're going to want to set that up. So we make that very easy. So you click on Install Radix Connector for Chrome. You get taken to the Chrome Web Store. We can add that to Chrome, add extension. And there it is. It's added to Chrome. If I want to, of course, I can pin that there if I want to look at it, but you don't really have to. It'll mostly just pop up if you ever need it for anything, and you don't need it for very much. The other thing you can do, and by the way, over here you can now see that the download page has detected that fact. It goes, I can see that the Radix Connector browser extension is installed. So now you need to go on to the last step of this, which is linking the Radix wallet to that connector, basically creating that secure connection between the two. This is a one-time thing you have to do. It's not as if every single dApp you've got to like reconnect to this. This is something where you do this link, and now your PC and your phone know how to connect to each other from that point forward and do that securely. So I can hit open the linking QR code, and that pops up a little window from the connector extension that shows a QR code to do that link. So now in my Radix wallet, I can go to that gear icon in the upper right for settings. And you can see I'm prompted to link your wallet to a desktop browser. So I hit that button for link to connector. And this is now going to bring up my phone camera. So I'll just scan that QR code. And now I can give it a name. We name it because you can connect to multiple browser extensions if you want. Let's say if you had 2 different PCs that you wanted to be able to use, you can connect to different browser extensions on each one of those. So let me set this to like Chrome on my main Mac. And the window goes away. So what just happened right there was an exchange of encryption keys, and now my phone and PC just connected to each other P2P over the Wi-Fi connection, but it could have been anything. I could be on cell phone connection, I could have arbitrary network conditions. Those two find each other, verify that link, and now we're good to go. So you can see that on the download page, now both of those steps are checked off. We're all set up. You've got the wallet, you've got the connector extension, and you're ready to use dApps and various other things on the Radix network.